babies, come and see. Fruits are yummy, 1, 2, 3. Yummy, yummy, 1, 2, 3. Apple, apple, red and sweet, healthy fruit for us to eat. Apple, apple, red and sweet, yummy, yummy, what a treat. Banana yellow and long. Let's learn fruits and sing along.
Orange, orange, round and bright, full of goodness, what a delight.
Mango, mango, juicy and nice. Sweet and tasty, paradise. Mango, mango, yay! Grapes, grapes, purple and green, the cutest fruits you've ever seen. Strawberry, red and small, I love strawberries most of all. Yummy, yummy, in my tummy. Pineapple, crown so tall, a tropical fruit loved by all. Ooh, so sweet. Watermelon, big and round, the juiciest fruit around. Yummy, yummy watermelon, so sweet and so much fun. Yum! Cherry, cherry, shiny red, a yummy treat. Be